Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I want to talk about the new Clubhouse app. It is like a audio discussion room. It is audio only. It is sort of like an interactive podcast. It is by invitation only, which I think is brilliant because it's going to create a sense of people wanting to get into it. You can sign up and claim your handle username right away. So if you are in social media management or want to keep up with the latest things, or a business that may want to use something like this, I'd recommend signing up. You can find it in the App Store. I'm going to put a bunch of links below of some people who've done very good videos breaking it down and showing more aspects of it. No, the design and look is going to change. Here's my view. It's captured something relatively new that is going to be very appealing for a certain audience. It's going to be appealing for audiences who don't want to be on video, audiences who like to interact by audio, versus some audiences just want to interact by text. Some audiences really love to be on video. This is an interactive audio platform. This gives them some flexibility because, of course, the bandwidth of audio isn't as big as the bandwidth of video. I predict that it is going to take off, that it is worth watching, especially for people in our social media management and certificate program. And I think it is something where you'll find a lot of thought leaders and information and data. I already got a report from a realtor. She said she's learned more in one of the rooms than she's learned at many large conferences. So I think it's worth looking at. I think it's worth signing up for people who want to be on cutting edge technology, and check the links below to learn more. Again, it is an app. It is right now, at the time of this recording, only on the iPhone, and it is something where someone needs to invite you in. Now, there are some, quote, hack videos to get around inviting more than one person. I'll put one of those below as well. And I'm on it. I'm on it as Martin Brossman, my name written together as a handle, but it's Martin Brossman. Look me up on it, and look forward to hearing your views in the comments below. Remember to click subscribe and the bell so you get future notifications of this channel. This is Martin Brossman. Have a great day.